Year 7 Algebra test, practice number 2. Question 1. Find the value of each of the following. 12 take 2 times 3. So with this question, we need to follow BIMDAS. And this explains the order of operations. So brackets, indices, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So we have a subtraction here and a multiplication there. So the multiplication is before the subtraction, so we do that first. So the 12 take can stay there. 2 times 3 is 6. Then 12 take 6 leaves 6. So there's our answer for the first one. The second one, again, we need to follow BIMDAS. And let's have a look here. We have a multiplication, a division. But here's some brackets. So we do what's in the brackets first because it's first in the list. Okay, so 2 times 12 divide, and 3 plus 1 is 4. Then multiplication is next. 2 times 12 is 24, divided by 4. 24 divided by 4 gives 6. B. Write an algebraic expression for each of the following. A number plus 7. So, x plus 7. X is the unknown number. In mathematics, we call it a variable. A variable there. And it's a number we don't know. And the expression we need to write is x plus 7. A third of a number. So this is a bit tricky. A third is 1 out of 3, 1 over 3. So a third of a number is a third times by that number. So a third of x. Okay? And when we multiply variables with a number, we can make it look like this. A third x. So when there's no sign, it means multiply. So we've got a third times by x. Find the value of each of the following algebraic expressions, given that x equals 5 and y equals 6. So here we're using substitution. Where we see the x, we're going to put 5 in. Where we see the y, we're going to put 6 in. So 5 plus 6 is 11. And this one, x take 2y. Okay, so where we see the x, we put 5 in, so 5 take, and what this is x take 2 times by y. Okay, x take 2 times by y. So 5 take 2 times by 6, which is 5 take 12. 5 take away 12 is going to give us minus 7. D. Write an algebraic expression for each of the following pairs. Find the value of each algebraic expression using x equals 7, y equals 2. So y times x. So it's going to be this. Y times by x, which is equal to yx. And x times by y, which is xy. Now, x equals 7 and y is 2. So this is going to be 2 times by 7, which is 14. And here we've got 7 times 2, which equals 14. Next one, x minus 3. So there it is, x minus 3 and 3 minus by x. 3 take x. So let's work at this one. That's x is 7, so 7 take 3 gives 4. And 3 take 7, that gives -4. E. Find the value of each algebraic expression using x equals 4, y equals 3, and z equals 1. Comment on the values obtained. So we've got x plus y plus z. 4 plus 3 plus 1. So we need to do what's in the brackets first. So 4 plus 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 plus 1, which gives 8. And here we're going to have 4 plus 3 plus 1, 4 plus 4, which equals 8. Here, it's going to be 4 take 3, take 1. 4 take 3 we do first. 4 take 3 leaves 1. Take 1. 1 take 1 is nothing. And here we're going to have 4 take 3, take 1. 3 take 1 is 2. 4 take 2, 2. F. The power output of a car speaker in watts is given by the formula V times V divided by R, where V is the car's voltage and R is the impedance of the speaker being used. What power is generated by a speaker with 12 volts and 4 ohms? So V equals 12 volts and R equals 4 ohms. Again, this is substitution, and here's our formula. Power equals V times by V divided by R. So the power is going to be 12 times by 12 divided by 4. So the power equals 12 times 12, which is 144, divided by 4. So the power is 36.